Okay, I am with Sanju Talpade ji, writer, director and now an acting coach. और इन्होंने acting coach किया है. This role he has played for this movie called Pagleya, which actually featured at 100 film festivals around the world. और इन्होंने acting coaching किया हुआ है उसके अंदर, and a lot of his actors won awards also for that. So Sanju जी, आप हमें बताइए acting coaching में क्या क्या होता है? What exactly do you teach?
Basically, I am trying to break the people's mold. The mold that they are in, they have some limiting beliefs about themselves. So my task is to get that limiting belief out of the way. Everybody aspires to be a hero, but the hero is not important. The main character is important. If you play a character which resonates with the people and they identify with that, then you have made it. A hero is not a person with six packs. That's what I am trying to prove in my workshop.
Right.
That everybody is a main character in his life. He just has to position himself properly and he will be noticed, he or she will be noticed. So that is the purpose of my entire workshop, is to get people from any age group, make them stand on the stage or give them a break in the film so that they can showcase their talent to the world. So that is my mission.
संजू जी, आप बताइए जब आप यहाँ पर प्राइवेट वर्कशॉप करते हैं as if आप केनी जी के छोटे भाई हैं, तो यहाँ पर आप एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप कर रहे हैं, प्राइवेटली भी आप सिखाते हैं. Okay, what would you say are the three main things that an actor has to have?
One, he has to be a good human being. A. B, he has to observe the world around him. And three, he has to have his own voice. उसकी एक अपनी आवाज़ होनी चाहिए, उसका एक अपना ड्राइव होना चाहिए. And then I am just giving him the tools. I'm just giving him the tools or her the tools. बाकी तो उसके अंदर ही है. I'm just making them discover who they are.
Wow.
So it involves body language, it involves voice modulation, it involves some international techniques like biomechanics.
Okay.
Then there is animal work. There are other methods that I teach them so that they feel comfortable in any era. Even if it's an international platform, they will be comfortable doing it.
Okay.
So that's the kind of training I would like to give them. Where I put them up, where I give them a lot of skills, and if I don't know something, then I call people. Like today I called Laz because I am not a dancer, but he is giving these nuances in the expression. So what if they catch it? It's going to benefit my actors.
Right.
So anybody, like you are a spiritually renowned person, I called you because I know you are spiritually good, you are grounded. At the same time, you are grounded. So I said your pep talk will also make a difference to their lives.
Right.
So then I called you because that also is an input. So that way I'm going to call my friends. If I don't know something, I'm going to share their